to get the gumballs out for an hour. It's not working. Come on, come out, come out.
So silly, guys. You have to use a quarter.
What if I give it a good shake? Will it come out?
Of course not, Maria.
What if I press it really hard?
No way, Steffi. I'm sorry.
How do we get them out? Yeah, how?
Let's go get some quarters.
Of course, that's it. Where is the coin? I think it's here. Sorry, Stitch. Sorry, Cat. Sorry, Pikachu. Here it is. I've got the coin.
Not here. Looks not. I need a coin, not a donut. Where's the coin? I got it.
Wow!
It's red. I hope it works too.
Not here. No. Where could it be? Not here. A quarter! Yay! I found it! Nothing here. Oh, I remember. I found the coins. This is for you. Thank you, Dasha. We should go now.
Look, guys, I got a red unique coin.
Ivan, you could not use the red one. You need to use this coin.
But it's the same coin, just different color. What will happen? I will get sucked into the machine.
Stop, Gus. I want to go first.
Sure, feel free.
Oh, get it out. Purple color. Alex, what flavor is it? I don't know yet, but it smells yummy. I'm next.
Twist, twist, twist.
Ooh. Green color.
I hope it's very yummy.
I want to try.
Wow.
I want to try it right away. It feels like blueberry. My turn now.
Twist, twist, twist.
Great.
They look delicious. I want to try one. I got this red coin.
Such a strange coin.
I think it'll work.
Twist, 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 twist. Where am I? What is this? Where's Ivan? He was just standing here. Yeah, then he disappeared. Ivan, where are you? Am I in a Gumball machine? No way. Maybe he ran away and we didn't notice? Yeah, maybe. Let's go and play then. Hey, Maria, Stephanie, I'm here! Please help me! Wait, did you hear that? Yes. I'm right here! Girls, come on! I'm right here! Girls, it sounds like Ivan, but very strange. Girls, did you hear that? Help me! I'm here! Yeah. I'm here.
Ivan, is that you?
I'm here. Bingo! You finally saw me. How did you get there? I don't know. I just put the coin, made a twist, and it just happened.
How can we help you if we don't even know how you got there?
How about you try to get the Gumball and I'll just jump out? But we don't have any coins left. Huh? Wait a second. I got a spare one. Lucky. It was a really bad idea.
We got the Gumball, but Ivan is still inside. I don't want it.
Okay guys, let's don't do this anymore.
Don't worry, we'll get you back. I promise.
We need to find the same red coin to get him out. Yes, the red coin. Try it. It might work. 1 minute. I've got the key.
Wow! Somebody point! I got it! The red one! Let's hope our plan will work.
Hold on, Ivan. What just happened? Maria's inside too. I have to get them out. I'm inside the Gumball machine too? Steffi, help us out!
Guys, are you okay?
You have to try a different color to undo what red coin did. Yeah! Trying to find the blue coin. I have to find the blue coin. Where it is? Nothing here. I need to find the blue coin. Can you open your mouth? Very strange place for a coin, but I have to hurry up. I found the blue coin. This should work. Hooray! 3, 2, 1, twist!
Thank you very much for saving us, Steffi. I'm never going to that Gumball machine again. It smells good, but it's so sticky.
I'm so happy you're back.
Meet my candy machine.
Wow!
Woo-hoo-hoo. Candy? I like candy.
Wow!
I also want candy. Please, Daddy, share.
Yes, sure. Wait a minute. Did you clean your rooms?
Oopsie.
How can we clean all of this?
I have an idea. Yeah! Thank you.
Dasha, let's go get some candy.
Yeah.
Daddy, we finished our cleaning.
Well done. Take your sweets.
Aha!
Here you go.
Is that all?
Okay, I'll give you a little bit extra. What's happening?
Eh? Huh?
Wait a minute.
Oops. Let's go eat. Woohoo! It's so yummy. Huh? I love candy. Where did you get them? Daddy gave us. Let's run to Daddy. Yeah! I want candy.
Sure. But did you clean up after your dog?
Oh no. What has Luke done?
Not a big deal. We'll get it quickly together.
Uh-oh.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Done.
It's up for candy.
Sure, I'll give you it in a second.
Wow! Can I also have this drink?
Have you finished your work?
Wait a minute. Daddy, help!
What's up, girls? You scared me!
Eh? Huh? Huh?
You've tricked me! I need to have a drink. What would you like to drink?
This one.
Ooh.
This one.
Okay. Here you go.
Yeah!
I'm thirsty.
Aha!
What? Drinks? I also want cola.
No, Coke is for adults.
Idea. What's this? I'm so thirsty.
Wait a minute.
Aha!
We also want juice.
Yeah, sure.
Eh? Huh? Huh? Huh?
We're out of juices.
Not a big deal.
Oh, I completely forgot. I have to go to wash my car.
Daddy, can we help you?
Drinks are over. But will you help me anyway?
We help you not because of sweets, but because we're family. Family members should help each other.
Wait for me!
Soap water. The mustard is ready.
We need some water, guys.
Yay!
Be careful, guys. Step out. And it's time to take a shower for a car.
Aha!
Who wants to try?
Me!
Finally, we did it!
Yay!
Ice cream! Who wants ice cream?
Yeah!
First, ice cream for free.
Wow! I want strawberry flavor.
Okay.
With strawberry cone.
Here is strawberry ice cream.
Oh! Yeah!
Yummy! I want 2 cones and 2 different flavors.
Yummy!
Oh, okay. Hey. Like it?
Yes!
Oh no! Oh my god! No problem, I will fix it. Here you go.
Yay!
Wanna try any toppings?
Yes! Now I want to go there. Oh, yummy.
Unfair! Why Vanya's ice cream is better than mine? Can you make that one but for me?
Oh, no problem, $2.
I don't have...
No money, no ice cream.
Can you make bigger ice cream for me?
Sure. Is that enough for you? Hey. Let's go.
Wow!
Be careful. Want some?
Yummy, thank you. I really want another ice cream.
Why shouldn't we do an ice cream machine? Let's go to my room.
Okay.
Vanya, even if we make ice cream machine, we don't have money to buy ingredients.
Okay, let's go down.
Ice cream! Ice cream! Who wants ice cream? Ice cream! Would you like one more ice cream? Oh no, such a pity. What should I do?
Manya, I have an idea. Let's go. Let's do some milkshakes.
Yeah! Yeah! Mom, look what I found! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! What should we do first?
Okay, I will decide.
You'll do first?
Yes.
Woohoo!
Then we have orange.
Whoa!
Then I'll add some mint.
Yeah! Yeah! Purple!
It's because of blueberries.
Now it's my turn. Woohoo! Yeah! Wow! Pink.
Here we go.
Blueberries.
Maybe orange.
One orange.
Great!
I think this looks better with this.
Yeah. Now it's smoothie.
Yes. Yeah, we have to do more. I want to try it.
I want to do lemonade.
Let's start. I squeezed and it sprayed to my eye.
Whoa.
We need more lemon.
Whoa! Yeah!
Lemon is done.
Yes. Look what we have. Wow!
This juice contains a lot of sugar.
No, unlike ice cream, fruits contain natural sugars.
Great! Natural sweets! Look beautiful and tasty.
Yes.
Cold. Wow!
Great! Smoothie!
Milkshake!
Lemonade.
Smoothie! Is this with sugar?
No! Even you can drink it!
Yes. What do we want?
Who else wants lemonade?
Yeah!
Aha.
No! You must eat your breakfast first!
A vending machine with sweets is holding our attention. We can't even play and eat.
I'm done!
Oh, great!
We try to get a penny. Dip, 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 dip. Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. To eat a lot of sweets, to eat a lot of sweets. Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Tell me, do you agree? Tell me, do you agree? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I need to take a shower!
I need a coin.
Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. To eat a lot of sweets, to eat a lot of sweets.
Steffi, what are you doing? It's wrong. I want candy.
Somebody is wearing slime. Trying to get all sweet.
Vanya, help!
The machine breaking down.
have no money.
Unhealthy, unhealthy. Tell me, do you agree? Tell me, do you agree? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Do you eat a lot of sweets? Do you eat a lot of sweets? Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Do you eat a lot of sweets? Do you eat a lot of sweets? Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy. Tell me, do you agree? Tell me, do you agree? Desires for sweets are good.
Idea!
It's a way to break a friendship. A lot of sweets are not good. Tell everybody about it. Did. Unhealthy, unhealthy, unhealthy.
It's a fake candy machine.
Unhealthy,
And candies are fake too.
oops.
Okay, let's cook a pie.
Do you eat a lot of sweets?
Huh?
See. Listen right to me. Listen right to me. We are going traveling. Pick up suitcases if you can. If you can. Pick up suitcases. Pick up suitcases. Pick up suitcases. Very quickly. Wow, a lot of suitcases. Wow, a lot of suitcases. Is it we need for different cases? Is it we need for different cases? Yeah. Certainly, yeah.
Our magic suitcases are full of helpful things. We visit many places where they will be needed. We sing this song. The road is long and nice travel way brings joy in our day.
Okay.
Wow, a lot of suitcases. Wow, a lot of suitcases. Is it we need for different cases? Is it we need for different cases? Yeah. Certainly, yeah.